Hello friends, welcome to Nifty Bank Nifty prediction for September 30 by Harmonics Traders. Arun here. In yesterday's video, we mentioned whether the bullish harmonics is going to stop the brutal fall. Today it was like a wonderful gap up opening. Even like SGX yesterday it showed like 200 plus points. But unfortunately, of course, the bears had their fun and they tried to close at least Bank Nifty near day low. The special thing with respect to today is the bullish harmonics in Bank Nifty got activated and multiple times it gave like 200-300 points. This is the bullish harmonics chart. So when it was trading around 38,696, we anticipated minimum 1300 points fall, and during this time we were like going with PEs, and today finally 37,560 got activated. Here we took a C 37,600 CE that was available for free channel members as well, and it completed more than 100% return. So from 100 it made a high of 275 thanks to beloved harmonics. Now as long this bullish harmonics is holding, go slow in shorts. I'm not going to say don't short. Of course it is sell on rise market, there is no doubt about that. It is totally sell on rise market, but definitely like there should be some decent profit booking coming with respect to sell event, right? So if you are taking shots here, the risk reward ratio is not that favorable since like bullish harmonics is active. Once it starts to come up to the higher levels, let us say like these kind of anchors high low, that is the place where you could slowly start adding the shots. And today like it was like a totally wonderful day with respect to the index calls. We were like mentioning like the CEs, PEs both are going to win. Today like we started with 39,300 PE. Thanks to our diamond strategy DL method, which predicted the day high, and from 300 it made high of 775, 11k single lot profit was done. Then we shorted Nifty thanks to our YouTube number, which was available to free channel members as well. It got the day high for the third consecutive day. Okay, so hat trick we are completing in Nifty day high based on our YouTube number, which we share without any noise 1 day in advance. Okay, we don't bluff, we clearly give the numbers, and our SL is always 51 points for Nifty and 151 points for Bank Nifty with respect to spot. If you're an option player, you can trade even with smaller risk. And finally here, so this is, I feel this is special because right now whatever crap you gave for sell, it is going to win, but this is like a gem because of the bullish harmonics. He gave like decent profits. This is the story of index today. So yesterday we mentioned 1732 as the R1 in our YouTube, and exactly from R1 it started to fall and it touched the first target MB. So this was the thing which I was discussing in like yesterday's video. See the decent target once an R1 gets activated is at least MB. It is not like mandatory once R1 activates, MB is supposed to come, but it should be coming. That is a decent market. Like 1 or 2 days before Bank Nifty, the buy got activated, but it was not even able to touch the MB. So this is showing like the bears are in total control. That's the thing. So here 200 plus points got completed based on R1. Now with respect to tomorrow, so of course the long term charts are very much scary. So already like I have personally I have started adding mutual funds. Will be adding mutual funds in all the tip. So this is the place where I will be adding huge. Okay, I will be adding very much bulk in the MFs. Of course all the falls I am going to add, because with respect to mutual fund I will be holding it until I am alive, and I will advise the same to my kids as well. So I don't have any issues, even if in case market crashes, a COVID kind of crash, whatever it is. Long run, India is one of the fastest growing country in the world. There is no doubt about that. And in long run, Nifty has to touch 50k, whatever it is. Okay. Okay. So now we'll come to like tomorrow's number. So tomorrow is like the first day of new expiry. So we'll be like waiting for the EOD data to calculate our ORT numbers. If in case you are interested to learn ORT version 1 and version 2, you could download our app. where we have shared the video and the Excel for free. Now coming to Nifty, so tomorrow we have the first major support around the bullish harmonics by 16,625. So this, like, we are anticipating for a longer time. So this is the place where we are going to take long for better risk reward ratio. This is going to be the second support, the harmonics X leg 16,448. With respect to MB, it is coming down 16,800 it is going to be, so that is going to act as MB. And with respect to resistance, this as well is coming down. So this particular swing high 16,944 it is going to act as first resistance, and the next resistance is, we can say, the mother or the war panic low, panic low, earlier it was like panic low, resistance 17,172. See, until otherwise Nifty closes above 17,172, the bears will be having full control. Once Nifty closes above 17,162, then bulls will be like continuing their momentum, but the stop is not going to be taken for a while. Okay, and again, if in case Nifty comes to this range, the selling is going to continue. Okay, just remember these numbers. Tomorrow 16,621 is S1 and harmonics buy. Definitely one can buy CE here for better risk reward ratio, and 16,448 is S2, 16,800 is MB, 16,944 is R1, and remember the VAR number 17,172. Okay, so that is going to act as R2. So this is the story of Nifty. Just remember these numbers, combine these numbers with open interest for highest success rate. Also, you can watch for the live updates in our Telegram channel with respect to the calls and the numbers. Now we'll move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty today, it was a gap up opening. Unfortunately, our R1 did not come. Initially, it took small support around our MB. Once MB was taken out, there was like a brutal fall, and here the harmonics buy came. Just see like how beautifully like it has been like added under the harmonics buy number. Wonderful. Okay, now we'll move on to Bank Nifty day time frame chart. Of course, today's low, so that itself is going to act as crucial support, because we have the harmonics buy. With respect to, again, long term numbers, 36,670 is quite possible with respect to BNF, and the next support there is no change with respect to this particular support. We still have this gap support, so obviously here we could expect BNF to bounce. So right now it is under harmonics buying zone. Chart you could just check from get from our Telegram channel, along with the numbers. These are the puts, positional puts, which we have taken like with respect to the GAN date. You could find like major puts completed wonderful targets, and many were available for free channel members as well. So this 37,560. So this harmonic support will be trying to defend the bears tomorrow. And of course, this is the place where one can go with monthly CE as well. Okay, 36,677 positional harmonics buy number. This is going to act as S2, and psychological number 37,000 is going to act as S1. Now with respect to MB, and see like here BNF has closed below the harmonics B, so that is definitely like a good sign with respect to bears. But still we have this harmonics buy support, so obviously lot of fighting is going to happen between the bulls and bears in this particular area. Okay, from 37,600 to say like 36,650. Lot of fight will be going on. The bulls are not going to leave that easily. But if you just see in the last 6 or 7 days, the bears were dominating very easily, right? It's because once again it's the mirror image of this brutal bullish rally. So there is something called mirror image. So whatever happened in the past, and once the pattern reversal pattern is formed, we could expect the mirror image. So here the bears were struggling, right? So we just see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, almost in 13 trading days, 10 were bulls and the bears had some issues. Right now the bears are giving it back. So that is with respect to this. Okay, now with respect to make or break number, it is coming downwards. 37,800, like it's 850, the last high which came. 37,850 is going to act as the first make or break number, or the make or break number. And with respect to resistance, we have this top 38,384. So this is going to act as the first resistance. Second resistance is coming to this particular anchor over here, 38,763. Okay, so just remember these numbers. This is going to be MB, R1, R2. Okay, tomorrow if in case it's a gap down opening, it will be trying to take support around 37,000 and move up. So this is a bullish zone, so don't think about shorting here. I know, like it will be like tempting you to go for short. Like I said, it is sell on rise market, but don't like sell at the bottom and get got. That is what like most people do, and once it comes somewhere around here, they will panic and book the losses, then again the fall starts. Okay, so this particular area, try to go long. If in case not, just wait for another decent rally or rise, and then you can go for short. So from here we could expect BNF to bounce. If in case it's a gap up opening, definitely this 38,384, this will be acting as resistance, and from there it should be bringing down Bank Nifty. Irrespective of the nature of like the gap up or gap down opening, the bears are kind of dominating, but this positional harmonics buy number should be giving at least 1,000 to 2,000 points. Okay, so this is the mother harmonics buy number. So right now we have like mini harmonics one, like 37,550. Okay, just remember these numbers and combine these numbers with open interest for highest success rate. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Always trade with small stop loss. Take care. Bye bye.